Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide tutorial on how to save contacts to Google account on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Okay, by saving contacts to a Google account, users can access and manage their contacts from various devices, including smartphones, tablets, and computer, as long as they are logged into their Google account. Well, here are the steps. First thing first, you have to go to the dialing application on your device. Well, after that, here you can type the phone number you want to save to your Google account. Okay, and then click plus icon at the top and select Create New Contact. Okay, so to save the phone number to your Google account, you can click the down arrow at the top left corner and then select your Google account for saving the phone number. Okay, after that, enter the name here and then you can click Save when finished. Well, that's the tutorial on how to save contacts to a Google account on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.